In today's fast-paced world, more people are feeling burned out, struggling with chronic stress, and dealing with health issues that seem to have no clear solution. Traditional diets and quick fixes promise fast results, but they often leave people feeling even more frustrated. If you've ever tried a diet that didn't deliver, or felt that healthy eating alone wasn't solving your health problems, you're not alone. The problem isn't always the effort you put in, but rather the narrow focus of conventional nutrition that overlooks the whole picture of well-being. Here's where holistic nutrition comes in as a game changer. Unlike traditional approaches, holistic nutrition doesn't just look at food, it considers the body, mind, and spirit as interconnected parts of the same system. It dives into the root causes of health issues, from chronic fatigue and digestive problems to mood swings and even skin issues. Imagine a lifestyle where nutrition isn't just about calories or avoiding certain foods, but instead involves nourishing every part of your being. This is the promise of holistic nutrition, a solution that empowers you to achieve balanced health and real vitality. To illustrate the power of this approach, here are 5 essential benefits of holistic nutrition that go beyond diet trends and quick fixes. Holistic nutrition emphasizes nutrient-dense foods, which fuel your body for steady energy. When combined with a balanced approach to lifestyle factors, like sleep and stress management, you experience less brain fog and more consistent, vibrant energy. By focusing on gut-friendly foods and natural remedies, holistic nutrition supports a balanced microbiome and improves digestion. This approach often resolves issues like bloating, indigestion, and even skin problems that stem from poor gut health. Strengthened immune system. Holistic nutrition isn't just about preventing illness, it's about building resilience. By incorporating whole foods rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, you give your immune system the tools it needs to defend against infections and inflammation naturally. What you eat affects how you feel. Holistic nutrition recognizes the powerful link between diet and mental health, recommending foods that stabilize blood sugar, support neurotransmitter health, and even reduce anxiety. Unlike restrictive diets, holistic nutrition promotes a sustainable relationship with food, helping you reach a healthy weight without constant deprivation or yo-yo dieting. It's about creating a lifestyle that feels good and is easy to maintain. Holistic nutrition isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle that enhances every part of your health journey. By looking at the body as an interconnected system and addressing root causes, you'll find it's easier to achieve lasting well-being. Ready to experience a transformative approach to health? These 5 benefits show why holistic nutrition is worth exploring for a healthier, happier you.